Carlisle Ford Nationals 2025, let's get it, whoa!
Time for the Carlisle Ford Nationals 2025, and we are back out here in beautiful Carlisle, Pennsylvania. As you can see over my shoulder, some rain clouds are inbound, but we know that will not dampen anybody's spirits. Vaughn can't be here with us this year. He's out running the Baja 500, but we brought Ben Hobson out here with us for his very first Carlisle Ford Nationals. He's going to be doing some signings, some drift demos. I'm going to be out there doing some walk-arounds with the vehicles, meeting everybody, which reminds me, I got to get ready for that right now. As you can see, I'm wearing my fancy attire. I've been out meeting dealers, showing everybody the fantastic stuff that we got coming out from RTR vehicles. Paint to sample, Spec 2, Spec 3, talking about the upcoming Spec 5, and I want to make sure I look classy for them. But I'm going to go ahead, change out of this, get to the main stage before the rain drops down. Hopefully I'll get to see you up there too.
Everybody to be a part. So we do have a certificate of authenticity that comes with this.
Appreciate it. So first of all, give yourself a round of applause for that.
To you guys, but to be honest, we just really want to go out there and beat the crap out of some cars because we're Ford people. That's what we like to do. We like to have fun. So
I don't know what's going on out here. I'm looking at all these other booths, all these other manufacturers, and there's nobody at their booth. But if you come by RTR, I mean, we're packed up. I mean, we're the spot to be. So day one has gotten a little bit rainy.
A little wet outside.
Ben was still able to put on a good show and have fun.
Yep.
But we don't stop because we got people underneath here. We're hosting them. You know what? We're not going to put you out in the rain.
Never.
Hell nah.
Like he said, hell no, bro.
Jim is out here. He's shopping for some SN95 New Edge style stuff. But the way Jim shops for stuff is he's going to go look at everything, ask everybody what the price is, and then walk away.
Correct. Frisbee those things in the floor.
Little known fact, Jim is a modeler. So when he sees stuff like this, that gets him excited. To the Carlisle Ford Nationals for 3 years now, but we already have our own class, and even though it was raining earlier, RTR owners braved the storm to come out here to be a part of this. Right behind the rig, Milton,
how you doing?
Thank you so much for coming out. I appreciate it.
You, George.
You and all the other owners are why we're here today. So,
well, we love being here. Yeah, we
thank
love being with Jordan. We love being with the crew. We love having our RTR.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. You're a good man. Even if I give him crap from time to time, he's a good guy. Carlisle 2025. You know what? The sky has not opened up for us yet. There's still a little bit of rain. But you know what? Ben is still gonna come out here and he's gonna have fun with the folks. This Ben just knows how to have fun. He don't let it stop.
RTR Spec 5 demo car, and he's gonna do some in the rain.
Oh man.
Oil tank one.
Ben, you started a chain reaction out here, buddy.
Started it, dude. Somebody had to start it, bro. I think I won though, a little bit.
Oh, for sure.
I haven't heard no.
Oh, it burned it. It burned it. I mean, it's out. It's out.
Okay.
It's out.
I smelled fire, so I was like, I smelled the burning grass.
So once again, we are part of the Carlisle Ford Nationals parade. We have Ben's car right here with us. We also have the RTR Spec 3. We got Bob Hobson with us right here. What's going on, Bob?
What's going on, boys? How you doing?
Jaron is going to be taking photos for us, and again, thanks to Ford, we are going to be leading the parade along with them. A lot of nice vehicles out here. We got Mavericks, F-150s, Mustangs, Bronco, Raptor, and then of course what I'm sure everybody wants to see, Ford GTD. So this is something that they do every year for the people of Carlisle who are kind enough to allow us to come here and disturb their peace for just a little bit. We parade through the downtown area. A lot of people park up. We tend to not do that. We just kind of spin through. But everybody lines the streets, and it's a good event. And it's nice to really see the people out here that, again, allowed us to come and share their town for a weekend. One of the special vehicles that we have with us this year is the Cruise for a Cause car. Dan, tell us a little bit about this and what this is.
Well, every year we do a special build and we raise money for cancer research. So this is my 15th year of doing that for Cruise for a Cause, and I thought, you know, my first car was a black car, and I thought, what would be better than our 15th anniversary, which basically is like RTR's 15th anniversary, than to build a car with Vaughn that we're going to give away this year to raise money for cancer research. They can go to cruiseforacause.org and get chances. October is when we're going to give it away. Otherwise, find us at an event. We go to a lot of events where RTR is at, any place else, and you can get a chance to win this car.
I think what you're doing here is absolutely fantastic. I'm so glad that RTR was chosen by you to be a part of this, and I really appreciate it and what you're doing out there as well. So thank you.
Thank you, and I couldn't be prouder than to work with the RTR team to do this.
Thank you so much. Again, that website is?
cruiseforacause.org.
All right. Go there, get your chances to win this great thing, which will help out a very good cause. It was fun though. You made the kids happy, bro.
Dude, the kids were like, great. And then every time I saw a newborn, I was like, don't do it.
Yeah.
Keep coasting. That'd be rude.
That's the
And
adult that's growing in
it's
you.
Bob Hobson, okay?
I'm sorry, Bob.
That addressed me right.
So typically when we're on the road, we stay at hotels, but this time we got a house. And don't try and dodge me. All the boys are out here. It's been a great weekend. Everybody is just chilling here at the house. I would show you guys the whole thing, but I'm gonna tell you right now, I would run out of film before I could make it all the way around the house. But this place is super sick. We found an Airbnb to sleep some of the boys, and yeah, it's been a good weekend. Now it's time to decompress, chill, and have some fun. You know, just like Kirk does all the time. He knows what's up, man. That is a wrap for the Carlisle Ford Nationals. I am already on to the next spot. But if you like this style of video, go ahead and leave a comment and drop a like down below. And head over to rtrvehicles.com so you can check out the new Ford license merch along with the new RTR merch. And until the next one, see ya. Whoa!